Ever wondered why you're paying so much for all those streaming services? Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video, they all need massive server networks to get your favorite shows to your screen. But what if there was a way to change this whole system? That's where AIOZ Network comes in. Born in 2021 under the leadership of CEO Erman Tjiputra, this project has assembled a strong team to tackle the problems of online content delivery. Instead of relying on distant server farms owned by big tech companies, AIOZ Network creates a network where users like you can share your computer's extra space and power to help deliver content and earn rewards from doing it. Let's explore how this actually works in this simple breakdown video. Picture a typical streaming setup. When you hit play on a video, it travels from a company's servers across the internet and finally to your device. The further you are from those servers, the slower and more expensive this gets. AIOZ Network does things differently by creating what they call nodes. And there are three types that make the whole system work. First, we have content providers. These are the creators, publishers, or platforms that want to share their content. Think of them as the starting point of the journey. Instead of uploading their videos to a centralized platform like YouTube, they can distribute it through AIOZ's network of users. Next up are delivery nodes. These are regular people running the AIOZ desktop app on their computers. When you run a delivery node, your computer stores and sends content to other users nearby. It's like having mini servers spread all around the world. But instead of big data centers, it's just people sharing their extra computer space. Your computer becomes part of a giant team that helps deliver content faster and cheaper. Finally, there are edge nodes. These are the end users, the people watching videos or downloading files. But here's the cool part. Edge nodes can also share their resources with other users nearby, creating a network that gets stronger as more people join in. When you're watching content, you might be getting it from your neighbor's computer instead of a server in another country. The best part? Running a node is super simple. If you have a computer with Windows, Mac, or Linux and decent internet, you're good to go. Just download the app, let it run in the background, and you'll start earning AIOZ tokens for helping the network. The app automatically optimizes your computer's resources, so you won't even notice it's running. This system makes content delivery faster, because you're getting files from someone nearby instead of a server halfway across the world. It's also cheaper because there's no big company running expensive data centers. It's just people helping people. And unlike traditional systems where only the big companies profit, AIOZ Network shares the reward with everyone who helps keep the network running. Let's look at the main tools AIOZ Network brings to the table. Think of them as different pieces of tech working together to make the whole system run smoothly. First up is the AIOZ Web3 storage, or W3S for short. It's like having your own secure cloud storage, but better. Instead of trusting one company with all your files, W3S spreads them across multiple nodes in the network. This means your files are always available, load faster, and cost less to store. Plus, only you have access to your files. Not even AIOZ can peek at them. Then there's AIOZ W3 AI, which brings artificial intelligence to the network. But don't worry, we're not talking about scary robots here. This system helps make the network smarter about how it handles content. For example, it can figure out the best way to deliver your files, compress videos without losing quality, and even help create personalized content recommendations. The star of the show is AIOZ W3 Stream, which handles all the video stuff. Whether you're watching live streams or catching up on recorded content, W3 Stream makes sure everything plays smoothly. It works with all your devices, phones, computers, smart TVs, and adapts the video quality based on your internet speed. There's also AIOZ W3 IPFS, which is like a super-powered file-sharing system. If you're into NFTs, this is particularly interesting because it helps store and manage digital assets securely. It's perfect for artists, content creators, and NFT marketplaces that need a reliable way to store and share their digital creations. All these features work together to create a complex system that's faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional options. And remember, because it's all powered by regular users like us, the network gets stronger and more efficient as more people join in. Now, let's talk about the AIOZ token, the fuel that keeps this whole network running. Just like you get paid for work in the real world, AIOZ tokens are how users get rewarded for helping the network. As of November 2024, there are about 1.14 billion AIOZ tokens out there, with pretty much all of them already in circulation. So how can you earn these tokens? There are two main ways. Running a node is the first option. When you share your computer's resources with the network, you automatically earn AIOZ tokens. It's like getting paid rent for letting others use your computer's extra space and power. The second way is through staking. Think of staking like putting your money in a savings account. You lock up your AIOZ tokens to help secure the network, and in return, you earn more tokens as interest. The more tokens you stake, the more you can earn. Here's something interesting about AIOZ tokens. They're getting scarcer over time. The network burns or permanently removes tokens in several ways. Half of all transaction fees get burned. 5% of node rewards get burned. 5% of network service fees get burned. 5% of app revenue gets burned. This means that as more people use the network, more tokens get burned, potentially making the remaining tokens more valuable over time. Let's look at how different people and businesses are already using AIOZ Network in the real world. For gamers and gaming platforms, AIOZ is a game changer. Imagine streaming your favorite games or esports tournament without lag, at a fraction of the cost. Gaming companies can use the network to deliver updates, stream events, and host content without building their own expensive server networks. Content creators also win big here. Whether you're making videos, music, or running a streaming channel, AIOZ lets you connect directly with your audience. No more giving huge cuts of your earnings to big platforms. Plus, better delivery speeds means your fans get smoother playback and higher quality content. For businesses, especially those dealing with lots of data, AIOZ offers practical solutions. E-commerce sites can store and deliver product images and videos faster. Online learning platforms can stream educational content without worrying about server costs. Even healthcare providers can use it to securely store and share medical data. Regular users benefit too. Running a node turns your idle computer into a source of passive income. If you're watching content, you get faster speeds and potentially lower costs. And if you're storing files, you get better security and reliability than traditional cloud storage. Here's a cool example. Imagine a small streaming service that can't afford expensive server costs. By using AIOZ, they can offer the same quality as bigger platforms without breaking the bank. Their content gets delivered through nearby nodes, keeping everything smooth and fast for viewers. Or think about NFT marketplaces. They need a reliable way to store and deliver digital art. AIOZ provides this while making sure creators maintain control of their work and collectors can access their NFTs without issues. Like any tech project, AIOZ Network has its strengths and challenges to consider. On the plus side, it makes content delivery faster and cheaper by using resources that would otherwise go to waste. Users can earn passive income by participating, and there's no single company controlling everything. The system also gets stronger and more efficient as more people join. However, being a newer project means AIOZ still needs to prove itself in the long run. It faces tough competition from established content delivery networks. And since it relies on user participation, the network needs to maintain a healthy balance of active nodes to work effectively. Looking ahead though, AIOZ has a solid roadmap for 2024, including plans for more AI features, a decentralized exchange, and expanded storage solutions. All in all, AIOZ Network stands out for 3 key reasons. It lets users earn rewards for sharing their computer's resources. It offers faster content delivery at lower costs. It gives content creators more control over their work. Whether you're a content creator, a tech enthusiast, or just someone looking to earn passive income, AIOZ Network is worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.